Once you get to this page, you must click on the Launch Interactive. But if it does not open up, as you can see, nothing is happening. The reason why is that I have to go up to right in front of the URL. Unfortunately, you cannot see that right now. I should have recorded more, but over in front, it's got the lock button on it. You'll see that my flash, this is it right here, says Ask Default. It must be allowed. Once you click on the allow, you may have a pop-up that asks you if you want to allow it. That's all you have to do is say yes, allow the flash to run. Then of course you will need to launch the interactive again. It's going to tell you, hey, you have to reset the page in order for it to work. That's why it's not working, so I'm going to refresh and then launch the interactive, and this is what you'll get popping up. So watch out, that could be something that you run into. You will finish that worksheet. It's a pretty easy activity. As you click from one event to the next, I guess I should show you that. Launch interactive, come on. Oh, over here. Here we go. These are the tabs at top that you will click through. So you're going to read about the cycle. If you click on something, it actually moves and opens up. So these are the main tabs that you will move through as you complete the worksheet. There's check boxes on each page or each step of the worksheet to indicate a spot that you can check off as you complete each step. Once you are finished with that interactive,